Hi, hello, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. And this is one of the interview questions that we're going to discuss as part of this video. And if you're someone who is looking for a DevOps engineer interview or Linux admin interview or Linux administrator interview, or someone who wants to work on Kubernetes. So you must know these because this could be one of your questions in the interview. So let's see what to do and how to achieve the answers, the required answers or the expected answers for the interview. So coming back to this one, this video is all about, we're going to discuss about three commands. One is the RM, and we're going to discuss about rmdir, and then we're going to discuss about rm minus rf command. So what are all these commands and how are we going to use it? And these are the commands which we all know. The CLI, the commands are mainly useful when you're using the Linux environment. So we're going to, like I told you in the beginning, so if you're someone who, like most of the applications are hosted on Linux environment, so you must know this, and the interviewer will check whether you have knowledge on these areas. So let's see what are all these commands and how to do. And before that, for this demo purpose, I'm running a container, and I'm taking an access. I'm logging into that container, and I'll see how to use these commands. And before we move on to this video, this is me, Vasan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to our Little Slaw YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please do like the video if you really like this video, and share the video with your friends. So coming back to this original video, so we're going to see three commands. So the first one is the RM. So RM, as we all know, it's very basic one. RM stands for remove. So RM stands for remove, and the purpose of the remove is to delete the files. And so by default, the RM deletes the individual files, and if you try to delete a directory with RM, it will throw an error unless you add additional flags. So let me navigate to the folder, and for that use Docker. So currently I'm like if you see here, currently I'm in my Windows terminal area, or in the Windows area. So to navigate into the container, I have to use the command docker exec -it, then the container name here, and then the command, the /bin sh. So this will actually take me to the now currently I'm into my the container files, which is basically the Linux environment. So now to check whether I'm in the right environment, let me type ls. So this ls will show the directories. So if you can see here, the bin directory on the top, and continued with boot, dev, etc, home, lib, lib64, media, mount, opt, procedure, the root. So everything, like whatever the folders you can see here, you can see that in the ls command. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate inside one of the directory. For example, say for example I want to navigate inside the bin directory, and I will remove the bash file. So that is the first assignment for us, because we are supposed to remove a file using the rm command. And for that, let me first navigate inside the folder first. So let me type the command, which is rm. And as we all know, in Windows we use this \, and in Linux we use the /. So just remember, I'm going to use the /. So /bin and another /, and then the bash. And okay, let me do one thing. So let me first navigate inside the directory, and we'll try to find those extensions, and then we'll try to delete that. So to navigate inside the folder, the command, the change directory is the same thing, and the / and then bin. So now we are inside the bin, and to confirm that, let me type ls, and now we can see all the files inside it, the bash, the change owner, the dd, and everything. And out of it, so we are going to remove the first file, and even you can type the pwd, and this will show in which folder you are in now. So since the bash does not have any extension, so we're going to remove the bash file as rm / bash. Okay, there is no such file or directory. So what we'll do is, let's do rm bin and then bash. Yep. So now if you see here, it is showing modified because the file, the bash file, is removed from this folder, and that's why it shows modified, and you are not also able to see the bash file. And let's try the another one with the cat file. So bin and then cat. So now, yeah, now the cat file is also removed. So this is how you can remove the file. So rm, just remember, rm is used to remove the files, just the files. And now we'll move on to the next command, which is the rmdir. And for that, yes, so rmdir and then the path. So I'm going to remove the bin directory, rmdir bin. Okay, the directory is not empty and it's failed to remove. So let's try another way. So the difference between the remove directory and the remove directory of the other one is, so the remove directory will delete only the empty directory. So for that, I'm going to use cd /bin. So now I'm in the bin. So let me just confirm that using pwd and ls. And now inside the ls, I have a folder which is the test folder. And let's delete that folder. So if you see here, inside the bin folder, so yeah, just to confirm, so inside the bin folder I have the test folder. So what I'm going to, and that's an empty folder. So yeah, like you see here, we have got the test folder, and the test folder is an empty one. So we'll see how to delete that. And yeah, it's in here. And to delete that, I'm going to use rm/bin/test. Okay, cannot remove its directory. Yeah, sorry. rmdir and then /bin/test. So now the test file has been removed, and if I type ls again, yeah, the test file is removed and you cannot see the test file anymore because we have deleted that. And now we'll move on to the third one, that is the rm-rf. So what does this rm-rf does? So let's see that. And that will show you the difference between the remove directory and the rm-rf. rm-rf/bin. So now if you see here, the bin folder is completely deleted, or it's been removed, because this command, the rm-rf, will recursively, so the r here stands for recursive and the f stands for forcefully. So it recursively and forcefully deletes the bin and all of its contents. So if you want to delete only certain files within bin folder, you can specify those files individually instead of deleting the entire directory. But if you want to delete the entire directory, and that's it's not an empty directory, it has the contents, so it has to recursively delete, and also it has to forcefully delete. So in that scenario, you have to use rm-rf. Yeah, so far we saw 3 commands. One is rm, and then we saw about rmdir, which will delete only the empty directory, and then we saw about rm-rf, and that will delete the files recursively and forcefully. So please do remember, and please do watch the video. I'm coming up with more Linux based videos, and that will definitely help you in understanding the Linux environment, the Docker, and please do practice this as well in your local machine. You can install the Docker, and please do keep practicing. So until I meet you in another interesting video, it's bye bye from Asan Shanmugam and your favorite Little Star YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.